Once upon a time in the quaint town of Everland, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, lived a peculiar character named Oliver the inventor. Oliver was not like any other inventor. He crafted whimsical gadgets that added a touch of magic to the lives of the townsfolk. One sunny morning, as the aroma of freshly baked bread wafted through Everland, Oliver unveiled his latest creation, the sunbeam catcher. It was a contraption of spinning gears and colorful prisms that danced in the sunlight, casting rainbows across the town square. The townspeople gathered, marveling at the spectacle, and soon, Everland became known as the Rainbow Town. Emboldened by the success of his invention, Oliver set out to create more enchanting devices. His next creation, the giggle machine, released bubbles filled with laughter that tickled anyone they touched. The once serious mayor found himself chuckling in the streets, and even the grumpiest of neighbors couldn't resist a smile. However, not everyone in Everland appreciated Oliver's inventions. The local grumbling old wizard, Grizzlewort, viewed them as disruptions to the town's tranquility. Determined to put an end to the whimsy, Grizzlewort concocted a spell to silence Oliver's inventions. One gloomy afternoon, dark clouds gathered over Everland, and a hush fell upon the town. The sunbeam catcher ceased its dance, and the giggle machine's laughter turned into faint whispers. The townspeople, missing the magic that had become a part of their daily lives, felt a collective sorrow. Undeterred, Oliver embarked on a quest to find a remedy. Through ancient tomes and mystical encounters, he discovered that the key to breaking Grizzlewort's spell was an infusion of pure joy. Ever the optimist, Oliver hatched a plan to organize the grandest, most joyous celebration Everland had ever seen. With banners of every color, music that made feet tap uncontrollably, and the aroma of delicious treats, Everland's jubilee commenced. Laughter echoed through the town, and joy sparkled in every eye. As the celebration reached its peak, Oliver activated his inventions, and the sunbeam catcher twirled with newfound vigor, casting radiant rainbows across the sky. The giggle machine erupted in a symphony of laughter, filling the air with infectious merriment. Grizzlewort, unable to resist the joyous atmosphere, found himself tapping his foot and cracking a smile. The spell that bound Oliver's inventions was broken, and Everland was once again bathed in the magic of whimsy. From that day forward, the townspeople celebrated each year with a grand festival, honoring Oliver the inventor and the enchanting devices that brought everlasting joy to Everland. And so, in the heart of the picturesque town, laughter and rainbows became a testament to the magic that thrived when joy triumphed over darkness.